Hi, welcome to SKO World. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to install PyCharm, a popular tool for coding in Python. We will go through the installation step by step so you can start coding quickly. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and search here PyCharm download. Click on download PyCharm, the Python IDE for data science and web. Click on this link. After clicking on this link, click on accept all. Here you can view the PyCharm Professional, the Python IDE for data science and web development. This is free 30-day trial. You need to click on this PyCharm community version. This is free and open source, built on open source. Click on download. If you are unable to download, then you need to click on this link, direct link, then downloading will be start. I have already downloaded this PyCharm community version, so I will cancel this downloading. Click on PyCharm community. Please wait while this setup. Next, click on yes and then click on next. This is the destination location where this folder of PyCharm files will be saved. Click on next. Mark this checkbox add bin folder to the path, and second, mark this checkbox and then click on next. Click on install. Installation has been started. You can view the details of the installation. Click on show details. Few are the advantages of using PyCharm. Code completion. PyCharm provides intelligent code completion, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. And code navigation. Easily navigate your code base with features like go to destination, find uses, and you can easily debugging in PyCharm includes a powerful debugger, making it easier to identify and fix issues in your code. In PyCharm, you can easily integrate tools. It comes with built-in tools like version control, terminal, and a Python console, all integrated into the IDE. In PyCharm, error detection is easily. PyCharm highlights syntax error and potential issues as you type, helping you catch mistakes early. It supports web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Make it great for full stack development. It is also easy for data integration. You can connect to database directly from PyCharm and perform queries without leaving the IDE. And easy to customize interface. You can customize interface by using PyCharm, allow you to customize the interface to fit your workflow with the various themes and layout options. It has a cross-platform. PyCharm runs on Windows, Macs, and Linux, ensuring compatibility across different operating systems. These are the benefits of PyCharm. Here you can view the pricing, subscription options, and pricing. PyCharm Professional, in which this is the price for professional, and second, all product pack. This is the price for this PyCharm version. Extract modules. After completing this installation, you need to click on the next button. Extract and uninstall this. Click on finish. I want to manually report later. Click on finish. PyCharm has been successfully installed. Now open the PyCharm. Search here PyCharm Community Edition. Click and PyCharm is opening. This is the community version. This is the interface of PyCharm. You can click on Start Tour. You can skip this tour. Click on New Project. In next tutorial, I will explain how to add this Selenium in PyCharm, and installation has been completed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.